Welcome back to the Madeline Knit Along. My name is Janica York Carter, and I'm going to show you Section 5 today. Section 5 may be my favorite stitch in the entire piece, probably because it's a stitch I had never done before. I continued working from our Section 4 and added a couple of garter ridges to separate it. Section 5 is worked primarily on a stockinette background, but it has these lovely little bumps, these sort of granules, pebbles, I'm not really sure what to make of them, joined by a cute little sort of chain at the bottom of them. It's really a very simple stitch to make, but rather effective. I'll show you how. First, we knit, and then knit into the front and the back for our side shaping. What we're going to do next is we are going to knit multiple times into this stitch. So we're going to knit into it, but we're not going to take it off the left hand needle. Instead, we're going to yarn over and we're going to knit inside that stitch again. That then creates 3 stitches out of that one stitch. We will slip the next stitch as if to purl. So once again, we will knit the stitch, yarn over, and knit the stitch again, and then slip the next stitch as if to purl. We'll continue this across. So knit, yarn over, knit again, slip, knit, yarn over, knit, and slip again. Knit, yarn over, knit, and slip. These extra stitches that we're creating here, we'll deal with them on the wrong side row. I recommend that you knit loosely because you are going to be knitting those 3 stitches together through the back loop on the wrong side, and it will be much easier if you don't have your stitches too tight. Knitting, yarn over, knitting again, slipping, knit, yarn over, slip again, knit, yarn over, knit, and now we're to our last 3 stitches. So we simply do what we always do at the end of the row, knit 2 together and knit the last stitch. So on your wrong side, you'll begin with your purl and then your knit stitch. Now you have these 3 stitches all coming from the one, so you're going to knit them, all 3 of them, through the back loop. Make sure that you catch all 3. I think I just caught 2. There. Make sure you catch all 3 and knit them together. You're still going to just slip as if to purl that stitch in between. Knit all 3 through the back loop and slip as if to purl. Knit all 3. Make sure you just get 3 and not 4. And slip. Knit 3 through the back loop. Oh, one of them didn't want to go over. We'll catch him and put him over. Slip. Knit those 3 together through the back loop, slipping as if to purl. Knit the next 3 through the back loop, slip that purl stitch, and knit those 3 through the back loop, slip, knit those 3 and slip, and 1, 2, You can tell I was a little tight at the beginning of the row there. There we go, and slip. And then you've just got your last 2 stitches, which you can just finish off. And when you turn it round to your right side, you can see that you've created another line of these little pebbly stitches. And these are interspersed at varying intervals throughout section 5. I think that they're just very, very cute. They're not as awkward or bulky as a large bauble, but they add more textural interest than some other stitches. It's more than just a, say, knit purl moss stitch. So I really like this. I hope you do too. And I hope that you will stay with me through section 6, which we will do in the next segment.